DJI Dock 3, the ultimate autonomous drone solution for any environment. DJI has once again pushed the boundaries of drone technology with the DJI Dock 3, the company's first docking station designed for vehicle-mounted deployment. Built to withstand extreme conditions and equipped with high-performance Matrice 4D and 4TD drones, Dock 3 enables 24/7 remote operations with unmatched flexibility. Whether for infrastructure inspections, emergency response, or large-scale mapping, this system is engineered to rise to any challenge. Key features of DJI Dock 3. 1. Unmatched adaptability. Dock 3 thrives in harsh environments, operating in temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius, -22 degrees Fahrenheit, to 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Its IP56 rated enclosure protects internal components, while the Matrice 4D/4TD drones feature low noise, anti-ice propellers for stable flight in freezing rain and high winds, up to 12 meters per second. 2. Flexible deployment options. Fixed-mounted deployment. Install Dock 3 near high-rise buildings or communication towers, enhanced by the DRTK3 relay for 25 km ultra-long transmission. Vehicle-mounted deployment, a first for DJI, Dock 3 can be mounted on trucks for mobile operations, ideal for emergency response and long-distance inspections. Dual dock setup, 2 docks can operate on a single vehicle, with automated collision avoidance for efficient task rotation. 3. High-performance drones. The Matrice 4D and 4TD are purpose-built for Dock 3, offering 47-minute max flight time, 15 meters per second speed. IP55 water and dust resistance. Triple camera system. 20 MP wide angle, 4/3 CMOS. 48 MP medium tele and tele cameras for detailed inspections. Laser rangefinder, 1,800 meters max range. Matrice 4TD adds thermal imaging, 640x512 IR, and near-night vision for 24/7 missions. 4. Intelligent operations with Flight Hub 2. DJI's Flight Hub 2 software brings AI-powered automation to Dock 3, including automated flight routes for inspections and surveillance, smart change detection for monitoring infrastructure, virtual cockpit for real-time mission control, 4G backup transmission for fail-safe connectivity. 5. Secure, open ecosystem. ISO 27001 certified for data security. Supports third-party payloads, for example, parachutes, sensors. Cloud API and SDK integration for custom workflows. Who should use DJI Dock 3? Energy and utilities, inspect power lines, solar farms, and oil rigs. Public safety, rapid response for firefighting and search and rescue. Infrastructure, monitor bridges, railways, and construction sites. Telecom, cell tower inspections with ultra-long-range transmission. Pricing and availability: Dock 3 plus Matrice 4D combo, starting at $21,059. Dock 3 plus Matrice 4TD combo, starting at $23,409. Prices vary by region, check with DJI Enterprise dealers. Final thoughts. DJI Dock 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer for industries that demand reliable, autonomous drone operations. With vehicle mounting capability, extreme weather resilience, and Flight Hub 2 smart features, it sets a new standard for remote aerial missions.